everybody, do you remember this diptych we made the other day? Well, thinking about modifying it today. Take some color, we'll take a brush, and we'll just go crazy on it. Here we go. Boom. Now, we take a dark color, for instance, and a paper towel, for instance, and go for it. Let's just go for it. Just random splotching, make it look, just surround it. It's gonna be a bouquet of flowers. We're just gonna surround our randomness. Surround it, oh, surround it, come down to the, no! Come down to the diptych section, surround it, oh, make it look like... Now we take some white and maybe put some highlights in there, and then make the vase look more like a vase, and It's okay, we can just wipe it away. Wipe it away. Here's the vase. Okay. Wipe it away, make the shadow, wipe some more away, and I hope you're all as relaxed as I am. Thanks everybody for showing up, I really appreciate you. Bye now.